NTU Trees Upcycle. This project is yet another excellent example of NTU's commitment to environmental sustainability.
The underlying theme of the Lee Kong Chian's School of Medicine's ethos is humanity in medicine. Part of this humanity is expressed in our respect for nature and the resources of this world. So when it became clear that trees had to make way for the clinical sciences building, we decided to conserve the wood from these trees. Now we are very happy to participate in NTU's Upcycle Trees project so that the wood from our trees will be used as furniture and art pieces that will adorn the buildings of our school.
Raw wood processing is a dying trade in Singapore. The tree logs have to have their bark removed to be cut into planks and then kiln dried at low temperatures for about 12 weeks.
When we first started working on this project, we wanted to make best use of the wood to create things that are special. So we decided that the best way forward is to involve our creative campus community and external artists and designers for the best result.
My name is Han Sai-po. I'm a sculptor. The rain tree is actually I know that no one using that for the sculpture because tropical wood are very hard one. It's not like European cow oak wood or some the cow wood is a bit softer, easy to make.
The wireless technology incorporated in a chest allows the furniture to detect users and acknowledge them with soothing music. To ensure the aesthetic and mobility of the furniture is unaffected by attached wires, a portable and low power consuming system with slim sensor nodes was created.